Once again.
So guys, we have Rastaman chai. Chai, them want to drink. Them drink already. Come cut one for me drink now. Come cut one for me drink. Yeah. So guys, this is chai down the road. We are drink some jelly. You get the dry coconut for the man? Oh, get some dry coconut, some jelly. But try this a few little jelly. You find or you pick some. Then that's it. Them on the tree. Oh. No man, that one they hard. Them money on this. Are they too young? Oh no. Get the jug or you're going to stay in a container. Just. Eh? Oh, I'm chewing a pot already. Oh, chew me see some here, sir. You don't get some for me. Oh, God, upon my foot. Mosquito guys kill me. Yeah, oh, a country. Yeah. One with sweet in a try. Make sure it's sweet. That one, the way you look young, so. That the one you look young, man. Why? No, no, sir. Better keep that one the way you do. What about the big one here? No, it's tough. You do one way you do. You want one kid try? Thank you, try. So guys, this is it. Ooh, coconut water. That one your sweet try. This is try chopping with dry coconut. If the one a little bit younger, we tell her to not come cross the fence. Not you try. First time carry me over the other day, you know. And you want to pay me mind. Hello. That's it. How in this time called my laugh and attack me say no. Yeah. You try say no sir. This is why I used to take care of fruits. Western and give Western. Wait, their fruits name? Star fruit. My God. Yeah man. Anything you want to get. Yeah man, anything. You say wow. I say if a few years younger, she could have come across. You know, so can't trust that woman. I dry one there. All right. Which one did you do? Was it jelly?
Jelly fruit.
So guys, good morning. And Rastaman Chai, they behind the camera, say hi Chai.
Hi, good morning.
And guys,
hi, girl.
jelly from off the tree, show them the tree up the Chai. Yeah, lots of coconut on top of the roof. And guys, this is it. So I'm going to show you how Jamaican drink jelly water, right? So he cut it already. I show you how he cut it. And then I'm going to drink it. You can put a straw in, right Chai?
Yeah,
you can drink it. You can put it in a jug and let it cool in the fridge, or you can just drink it just like that. Where there are bush, you have to drink it. Try. Why? Why? Jesus. Why? Guys, you see? You have to put on some half.
Mosquito,
a mosquito. Now bite me up. Alright, let me drink this first. Sweet. But it cool already?
Yeah, quite it. Yeah, pop up in the morning.
And this is the piece. What do you do with this one? Try cut into, right?
Cut into, yeah.
It's the same one as that. This is the jelly, yeah?
Food.
The food. And you cut a little piece. And when you're in the bush, you can't find no spoon. You have to use a piece of the ox. You scrape it out. You just eat it up. Really healthy and refreshing. Rasta man living. Just
Natural living. Yeah, man. Sure, we know.
Alright.
Up top.